everybody, how's it going? Give me a second right quick. Roscoe, you didn't tell me we had company.
Oh, that's right. Hey, Bill, I gotta tell you something here real quick.
What's that?
We got company!
Get me out of these balls.
Well, you stick your foot right there. Bill!
Howdy, everybody.
Don't dance with the hat. Kids love the hat.
Nobody likes that hat, Roscoe. Everybody likes mine.
What about my hat?